In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your Downstream O2 sensor in your Kia Soul. It's located under your carpet and in the interior of the vehicle and also in the exhaust pipe. All right, we're going to disconnect our negative battery terminal. Use a 10mm socket. Make sure you put your terminal off to the side, not touching any metal. I'm using a 22mm wrench to get the O2 sensor loose. I'm going to try to break it free without heat. All right, once you break that free, you can unscrew it. All right, you're going to want to pull this off. Peel back your carpet. It looks like there should be a screw right here, but ours is missing. So we're just going to roll this back. You're going to push the button in on the connector, disconnect it, and then there's a rubber grommet. So now I'm just going to start prying away with this rubber grommet. Once you get it unstuck, you can pull it out. And pull your O2 sensor out with it. All right, so we're going to hand tighten our O2 sensor. Again, make sure you leave your wire free to spin. We're going to torque this to 36 foot-pounds. And now we're going to feed our wire up through the floor. And I'm going to squeeze my rubber grommet up and then pull it down. So we're going to connect our connector. Matching up where it goes. Make sure it clicks. I'm going to make sure our grommet is how it needs to be. Push it in if you need to. You can use a little silicone if you need to stick it in place. Ours seems to be okay. Now we're going to put our padding back. Push our rug back down. All right, so I found a screw that will fit since our screw was missing. There we go. And now we can put our plastic piece back on. I'm going to connect our negative battery terminal, push it down all the way, get a 10mm socket. And tighten it down. Just make sure you check your terminal, make sure it doesn't move once you have it on your battery.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.